Imagine waking up tomorrow to a world where everything you've been told about our planet might be wrong. What if the truth about Earth is hidden, intentionally or unintentionally? Today, we explore two compelling perspectives, one that has dominated science for centuries, and another that challenges mainstream beliefs. The question is, what is the truth? Centuries ago, philosophers like Pythagoras and Aristotle suggested that Earth was a sphere. Why? Because their observations hinted at it. Ships disappearing hull first below the horizon, the shape of Earth's shadow during lunar eclipses, and the varying constellations as travelers moved north or south. Fast forward to today, our technology confirms it. Satellites orbit Earth, providing the images and data that inform GPS, weather forecasting, and global communications. Not to mention, explorers like Magellan scaled the globe, proving that you could, in principle, travel around it, something that would be impossible if Earth were flat. And during lunar eclipses, Earth's round shadow on the moon is consistent, a simple yet powerful proof. The physics of gravity and orbit mechanics, developed through Einstein and Newton, describe a spherical Earth perfectly circling the sun. This is the scientific consensus, built on reproducible evidence, peer review, and technological advancements. So, why do so many accept this as fact? On the other side of this debate, a different belief emerges. Flat earthers argue that our planet is a flat disk, not a globe. Why? They say, look around. Does the horizon look curved to you? They point out that from ground level, the horizon always appears flat, no matter how high you go. They claim Antarctica is not a continent, but a massive ice wall surrounding the world, holding in the oceans like the edge of a giant disk. Flat earthers also question the authenticity of space images, alleging NASA and other agencies hide the truth about Earth's shape to maintain a powerful conspiracy. Many are driven by skepticism, distrust of governments, scientists, and authorities. For them, uncovering what they believe is the real truth is a moral quest, a fight against deception. Both perspectives have their strengths. Scientific methods rely on testability and reproducibility. The evidence for a round Earth has been tested countless times, from space to the deep oceans. But flat Earth claims often rely on personal perception, optical illusions, or misinterpretations of physical phenomena. Sometimes, observations can be deceiving. Cognitive biases, confirmation bias, distrust in authorities can lead people to cling to beliefs even when faced with overwhelming evidence to the contrary. So why do so many reject the idea of a spherical Earth, despite consistent, measurable scientific proof? Humans have a natural tendency to seek simple truths, yet the universe is often more complex and stranger than we imagine. History reminds us that ideas once dismissed, like heliocentrism, eventually became accepted through persistent inquiry and evidence. The key isn't to accept blindly, nor dismiss outright. It's to be curious, to seek evidence, and to keep our minds open to new possibilities. So is Earth flat? Is it round? Perhaps the answer lies beyond what we're told, beyond what we see, if we're willing to question and explore. Remember, sometimes the greatest discoveries come from questioning what seems obvious. The universe might be stranger and more fascinating than either side can fully grasp.